Hey there, my name's Anthony and I'm a freelance web designer here to share tips and tricks with you on how to level up your Divi web design game. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to effectively repurpose one of the elegant theme layouts to apply to your own website, whether this is your own business or maybe this is a client's website. Regardless of that circumstance, that's what we're going to do. So on this website here, we've got our header and our footer, but we have an empty body. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the Divi builder. And once we're in here, we have the option to build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout. We're going to choose a pre-made layout right here. And then as we scroll through here, if we type in lumber, the only thing that we get, because this is a lumber distribution business, but all we have is plumber, because it's almost like plumber. We have the lumber in there. So that's not what we want, right? We don't have any kind of lumber distribution template. And they roll these out every now and then, but they just haven't got there yet. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll through and we're gonna find one that we like. Why don't we go ahead and go through, we're just gonna go ahead and pick the travel blog right here. And then what you wanna do is pick your layout. Now I'm on the home page, and so I'm gonna go ahead and choose landing, or actually I'll choose home right here, or home page, and then select use this layout. So now that we've got this updated here and we have our new layout, we need to go ahead and customize this, because this is great for a traveling blog, but it's not a lumber business, right? This isn't a lumber distribution business. So we scroll through here and we can see that there's some things automatically we need to update at a glance. We're gonna go ahead and worry primarily about the aesthetics on this. We're gonna go ahead and go to the background here, and let's see, it's not in this section, it's actually in this header. So we'll go to this module right here. Let's scroll through and change the background. And I've already uploaded my images, and so I'm just gonna choose some wood here. Let's upload that. And then scroll down here a little further. And we just replace the images, right? We're gonna go through and replace whatever we find is necessary to be able to make this more of a, around the niche that we needed to actually follow instead of what it was. Scroll through here. In fact, this probably needs to be updated. Let's go ahead and change the background to this right here. And let's go ahead and choose that one right there, just like that. And then we get down to the bottom here, and it's looking a lot better. It's looking pretty good. In fact, we could just do some small things, maybe update the colors for a lot of these modules. And what I encourage you to do is go through and actually use the tools that Divi has built. So for an example, this is kind of like an off orange. It's not really the color that we have on our design here. And so what we'd want is actually this right here, right? This is this off color, but that is the color orange, and it's hard to tell, but if this was the color, we'd go ahead and select this, we would right click it and then extend background color, and it says extend this button color to all other modules. We'll choose yes, and then we can see that the border there is also needing to be updated. So we'd actually go here and we would find the border color, we'd change this to the right shade, we'd right click it, extend all throughout the page and extend that there. And we just do that accordingly to any of the modules that we'd want to repurpose. Same thing with the text and so forth. And that is how you quickly go through and you repurpose a framework or a layout for the website. And then it's really down to the aesthetics then at that point, the small things and its content. The harder part's about a website. If you're working with a client gathering that content, or if you're building your own website, coming up with what that sounds like. But that's in a nutshell how to repurpose those usable layouts to make it into a website for yourself or your client.